We are uReason, a specialist and technology leader in asset performance management. We work with original equipment manufacturers of valves, actuators, and instrumentation and help them to create predictive and diagnostic modules for their devices. Our customers get a significant competitive edge using our software. In this session, we will cover asset performance management for valves and actuators. Control valves and actuators provide key functionality for automated process control. Asset owners continue focusing on reducing capital expenditure and, as a result, they turn to lower-cost alternatives. As an original equipment manufacturer, you should stress the importance of viewing the total cost of ownership over the lifetime of your products rather than focusing on the initial costs. You can do this by providing the asset owners with capabilities to reduce their operational costs while balancing the availability and reliability of their critical assets. What if you could inform your customers of the device and process-related issues that your devices experience? It would provide your customers better information to run and optimize their business on availability and integrity of your assets, while at the same time it positions you in a better strategic position for future business. Data is the key to achieve this balance between costs, required availability, and acceptable risk. The journey to effective asset management starts with data. We help you to verify the data of your assets, determine how valid the data is to the asset condition you need to capture, and determine if additional sensors are required. Our APM software provides the capability to aggregate, store, and visualize your streaming data, whether embedded, on chip, at edge devices near your sensors, or on local computer and even in the cloud. uReason has the knowledge to turn your data into deterministic, machine learning, and probabilistic models that can be combined with our APM software. This allows you to provide diagnostics, prognostics, and operational decision support. This turns your data into insights and will allow you to understand what is happening, what will happen, and what should happen, keeping an eye on the balance of operational costs, resources, and risk. The typical journey to engage with uReason APM software starts with carrying out a data scan. The data scan is focused on a single or a number of your critical assets. During the process, we determine if the data from your data historians, maintenance management systems, SCADA or DCS systems is complete and of sufficient quality to start an APM program. Following the data scan, we assess the organizational readiness for next-level maintenance programs. This results in a report that identifies training requirements and how the organization should change its certain working procedures. After the data scan and organization assessment, we jointly determine if a proof of concept can be started. The proof of concept will create a working example of the APM solution that allows us to assess and value the business case. After successful completion of the proof of concept, we work with you in the co-development to identify how to roll out APM over your assets and processes. Your knowledge of the assets can be easily captured by your specialists using our software. They can capture the diagnostic rules, cause and effect diagrams, and connect these to streaming data. We support and train you in the development of predictive models using, for example, neural networks and support vector machines. The APM solution can be deployed on a device, at edge, and on local computer or cloud level, covering a small or large asset base. There is no better time than uptime. We are uReason, a specialist and technology leader in asset performance management. We have been active in the field of AI, condition-based monitoring, and predictive maintenance since 2001. With offices in the UK and the Netherlands, we serve customers throughout the world, from original equipment manufacturers in Germany, United Kingdom, Netherlands, and US, to asset owners in South America, United Kingdom, Netherlands, and Asia. Thank you for watching this video. Contact us to receive more information.